And a good morning to y'all. Today we have a 22 Honda CRV. That's what we have. And we're going to do the cabin filter. So you got to squeeze this side. You got to squeeze this side and push this guy out of the way. So he gets unclipped. You see that little clip right there? Get this thing down. We're going to do the cabin filter. There you go. I did it with one hand. Oh Moses. Typical Honda. Push in, push in. You got this clip right here, and there she is. Pull one, push out, and we got Honda written all over it. We got airflow down, and this puppy could be. Let's see. It's not that bad. So I'll put the link in the description, and there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.